right, let's talk about microgreen varieties. Emphasis on importance of offering unique microgreen varieties that customers cannot easily find elsewhere. They could be exotic or rare varieties, cater to a niche market. Andy, when did you start offering your unique varieties, and what were they?
I mean, ours were kind of like our mixes that we threw together in the beginning, which we're not really good at. I know you're like the king of mixes, so this is probably a great one for you. But that's kind of what our initial thought was. We just did a couple basic mixes, and then really this last year and a half or so, we really started growing some more unique stuff for restaurants, like basil and celery and bull's blood, amaranth, some of the tougher ones just to get them on our menu essentially. But yeah, we really didn't start going heavy into the really unique stuff until probably early last year.
Nice, nice. Josh,
Yeah.
what did you do?
Yeah, so when we first started, I always talked about like a core four or a quick six, right? The fastest growing stuff we're all accustomed to growing: sunflower, broccoli, kale, radish, yada yada. But here recently, and that's been a big driver in terms of revenue for grocery stores. But here recently, we're starting to see a uptick on cilantro. So cilantro sales are really doing good, and this is mainly speaking on grocery stores. But however, crossing over into our restaurants, we're starting to see a lot more beets being used. And it used to just be, or normally was, kind of like salad mixes. Um, what was another? Rambo radish was a big one. So we're starting to see beets take a good low chunk in restaurants, and the surprising one for us is cilantro in grocery stores.
Yeah, that's a surprising one. Grocery stores didn't do well when we tried to put cilantros in there. We had a small run with them, so that's shocking. The cilantro is selling that well. We sell great at the farmers market; people love it there, but in the grocery store, we never had big good success.
Hmm.
But that's good to hear. Have
Interesting.
you just recently put it in there, or has it been something just starting to
Nope.
take off?
No. Yeah, we recently, I think, about 6 weeks ago, we've put it in, and the first week we stocked it, it sold out like 2 days later. And we gave them just we just put like four samples of each of everything that we had. The cilantro sold out immediately.
Nice.
So, um, and Mandy and I were thinking about how we would stock it and keep the price affordable for everyone. And if you walk to the grocery stores, you see the small little packages for herbs. You got like
Yep.
rosemary, cilantro is one. So that's the next thing that we're gonna start doing is putting our basil in there and putting our cilantro in there as well, and having those be able to get hung up and it doesn't have to be right in that same area, but we definitely want more products in the grocery stores.
Nice. I like it. Changing unique varieties out into something different than what anybody else is doing. So that's